Hello friends, today I'm going to make a fish pond. For that I've taken an empty lid of sweet box. Now crush the newspaper, make balls of it and paste it at one corner of the box, one by one, covering one side of the box. Now the second layer, just trying to give a shape of mountain. See, it will be like this. Now I'm going to mix white glue with some water so that I could give a thin coat over the newspaper. I'm going to paste strips of tissue paper over it, covering the complete mountain and the border of the box too. I'm making a separate stone. For that I am pasting 2 pieces of crushed balls of newspaper. Again the coat over it, pasting the tissue paper. See, it will be like this. Now pasting that stone at the cornermost top. See. Now by the time it will be dry, let's make some fishes. Here I've taken clay and giving the pointed shape of fish body. Now marking the eyes. Very small rolls for the eyes. Now I'm going to mix 2 colors, the black and white, for fins. Now cutting very small fins, and with the tool I'm attaching it both the sides. And on the top. Now the tail part. The next, I'll be giving some patches over the body with the same shade, and with the tool I'll attach the complete part with the body. See, my fish is ready. I've already made some of the fishes. Now making grass, making small horns and attaching it from one side, and it's a bunch. See, it's looking like a grass. I've made 2 sizes of grass. Now making water leaves, round shaped water leaves. For that, giving a flattened shape and a little cut in between, and with the light color I'm making nerves over it. See how it goes. The leaf is ready. Here are some leaves already made. Now making another leaf, pointed shaped, and giving details over the leaf with the tool. Here are the leaves. Now as my mountain is completely dry, it's time to paint it, the pond and the mountain. I'm painting it with the grey color on the mountain. In the center, giving a little dark shade, covering completely with the grey color. Make sure the paper is tissue under the color, so use very gentle hands. Need to cover the complete part of the mountain and giving green shade over it. As we can see, our mountains are like this. See, is it looking original? Now for the pond, I'm using blue color. You can use the darker or the lighter color as per your choice. Now I have some roadside stones. I'm pasting all the stones one by one at the corner. The complete border is covered with the stone, and in the center also. Now it's time to add the grass. I'm making a vine, a beautiful vine on the rocks, and I've covered the vine completely with the leaves. Now it's time to paste the fishes in the pond. See how it looks? Now with the hot glue gun, I'm going to make the streams of water. One by one, making lines, pasting all it together. See? Now filling the complete pond with clear glue to give a look of water, and finally the water leaves. Now pasting the streams of water between the stone and the mountain and pasting it with the hot glue. Now giving shade of little white color at the ground level of the water and over the streams, and it's done. If you like the video, please share, like and subscribe the channel. Stay tuned for the next.